Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Genshin Impact account. If you go to the website or the official game, you cannot see the option where it says delete account anywhere, so in order to delete your account, you'll have to directly send a mail to MiHoYo or Genshin Impact. In order to do that, go to your mail service provider such as your Gmail, Yahoo Mail, etc. and then compose a mail. And you'll have to compose a mail to genshin_cs@mihoyo.com or genshin_cm@mihoyo.com. So you can send a mail to either of these, but you could also send a mail to both of these. Now in subject, type in request to delete my account. And then in the body, simply type in your reason, but if you don't want to, you can simply copy and paste from the description. I'll have it there. And once you've written the reason and your email ID, all you have to do is send the mail. And now you'll have to wait for them to reply, and then you'll have successfully deleted your Genshin Impact account permanently. So that is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.